Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the area under the curve. To solve such type of problem, we adopt the following process. First of all, to make a graph if possible with the help of function. Then after that to see the symmetry, and after that to set the required area that we have to calculate with respect to x-axis. In this case, perpendicular on the x-axis, or with respect to y-axis, that is a perpendicular on y-axis according to our convenience. And then after we calculate the area, take the limit, lower limit, upper limit y dx if the perpendicular on x-axis, and perpendicular on y-axis, we take the a to be x dy as required, and we get result. If unit are not given, then we write the square unit in this case. In this case, first of all, to make a graph if possible, so it means that function are given curve, we adopt the curve tracing here. Now if all the power of y is even in the equation are even, then the curve is symmetry about the x-axis. Now this is the x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now we take, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, x dash, y and y dash, and this is a curve y square is equal to 4ax. Here, if all the power of y in the equation are even, here power of y is 2, that is even, so that this is a symmetrical, this curve is symmetrical about the x-axis. X-axis, this is here and this is here. Symmetry about the x-axis, same area in upside and the right and the below side. If you calculate the area of this part, then after twice we get the area of the whole parts here. In this case, it is easy. if यदि हम इसकी एरिया कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो उसको डबल करके दोनों एरिया निकाल सकते हैं. लेट अस सपोज दैट area of this is A1 and area of this is A2, then area of A1 equal to area of A2. It means that if you required area, total area 2 into A here. Now in this case, y square minus 4ax, this curve is in positive direction, and we take negative, so that in the negative part here, and power of y is 2, symmetry about x-axis, and this part here, if you calculate this area, then after that double we get the total area of this. Now second, if all the power of x in the equation are even, then the curve is symmetrical about the x-axis. Here in this case, x dash, y and y dash, and this is the curve. X square is equal to 4ay. It is parabola in standard form, and the power of y is 2, x is 2. This is even. So that symmetry, this is a even, so that symmetry about the y-axis. if all the power of x in the equation are even, power of this is even, so the symmetry about the x, symmetry about the y-axis, and in this case we take this type of strips here, and if area of this calculated twice, then area of this calculated and twice to get the total area with respect to the curve as the required here. Now power of x square is even here, in this case a negative sign, so that parabola in downward direction, because here this is a positive, so that upward direction is downward direction, and if you calculate this area, then twice you get the total area of this. Now third, symmetry about both axes, x-axis x dash, y and y dash here, and this is the equation of circle x square plus y square equal to a square, where a is the radius of this circle, symmetry about the both axes. If all the power of x and y in the equation are even, power of x is 2, power of y is 2, both are even, then symmetrical about the axis x, axis about x, same area here and same area here, and same as well as y-axis, same area either, same area either, so that if we calculate this area and this area of circle, A is equal to 4A1 if this area is A1 here, and in this case we calculate the this area and multiply 4, we get the total area of the circle. General equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than 0. This is a and this is a b here, a and this is a b here, so that in this case if we calculate the area of this part x dash, y and y dash, if we calculate the area of this part, then after multiply here, this is a power of x square is even, power of x square is even, then symmetry about the, if all the power of x in the equation are even, symmetry, the curve is symmetrical about the x, symmetrical about the, this is symmetrical about the y-axis, symmetrical about the y-axis here, and here in this case symmetrical about any power of y is even, symmetry about x-axis, x is even, symmetry about the y-axis, x is even, symmetry about the y-axis, and y is even, symmetry about the x-axis in this case. And similar cases, in this case, this is x and this is x dash, y and y dash, this curve and this curve, this is hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is a hyperbola, and in this case if we calculate the area of this, so that similar cases, in this similar cases here we multiply same area this and same area this, 4 area are same, so that we calculate the total area equal to, if this is A, so that total area will be, this is A1, the total area A equal to 4A1 here. In this case we can calculate these cases. Now we take another part, and after that we take the example, we apply this rule, this process, and we calculate area easily. Now here Fourth, symmetry about the line y is equal to x. In this case, y is equal to x. Here, this is a x, and this is the x dash, y and y dash. Symmetry about the line y is equal to x. This is a y is equal to x. Y is equal to mx plus c here. Now mx, m means tan theta, theta is equal to 45 degree. This is a y is equal to x. So that if the equation of the curve remain unchanged, uninterchanging x and y, then the curve is symmetrical about the line y is equal to x. It means that if y replaced by x and x replaced by y and no changing the equation of curve, then that is a symmetry about the y is equal to x. Now we take the example equation of curve x cube plus y cube equal to 3xy, x replaced by y and y replaced by x, then y cube plus x cube equal to 3xy. No change the curve, so that this is curve is symmetry about the y is equal to x here. Now symmetry in the opposite quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Opposite of this is this, opposite of this is this, and this. Opposite of this is this, and opposite of this and this. So that if the equation of curve remain unchanged when x replaced by minus x and y replaced by minus y, and then the symmetry about the opposite quadrants here. We take the example equation of rectangular hyperbola xy is equal to c square here, and x replaced by minus x and y replaced by minus y, then putting this minus x and minus y, this is a plus y, so that the equation of curve no change. So this curve is symmetry about opposite, so that this is a curve, this curve, and opposite of this is this, so that if you calculate the area of this, then that is same area of this, and in this case we have to only calculate one part and twice, then get the total area of both the curve under the curve. Now the area bounded by the continuous curve, this is a continuous curve, y is equal to fx, the axis of x and the ordinate is x equal to a and x equal to b, where b is greater than x, given by area equal to a to b fx dx, and fx is equal to y, y is equal to fx, and a to b y dx. We take this example, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. In this case, this y is equal to fx is a function, and we take the perpendicular here a, and this is equal to b. We can say that this is a lower limit and this is the upper limit. We take the strip here in this case. Now this strip is dx and this is a y, so that area of this is a to b, ax is a to b fx dx, and fx is equal to y, a to b y dx, and we can easily calculate the total area if we integrate these functions. Now we know that if you calculate the area of circle and ellipse directly, we can calculate the area of this, but if we calculate the area under the curve, like curve is this such type of this curves here, and then area under this curve only calculate with the help of definite integral. Now here in this case, this is the x and x dash, y and y dash, this a and this is a x is equal to b. We take a strip here strip dx very small, बहुत पतला लेते हैं. This is a y, so that we calculate the area with the help of definite integral. Area of the strip, one strip is y dx here, and if we integrate this x is equal to a to b, so that we area under the curve, area under the total area under the curve can calculate by a to b y dx approximate area. But the strip जितना पतला होगा उतना ही एरिया एक्यूरेट आएगा. यानी पतला से पतला हम स्ट्रिप लेंगे तो एरिया हमारा और एक्यूरेट आएगा. और सच टाइप ऑफ कर्व under this area calculated with the help of definite integral. Now we take some example and we apply this process. We calculate the area here. Now here question number 1, calculate the area of the curve y is equal to x square and y1 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to 3. Solution of 1. Solution of 1. Here y is equal to x square and x square is equal to y. This is the parabola, and as you know that this is x dash, y and y dash. Now as we know that x square y, it means that this open mouth in upper direction here, and both are same figure. Now y1 is equal to 1, y1 here, this is y1 is equal to 1. Here we take 0 and 1. In this case, y1 equal to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 3. This is 3. We have to calculate the area of this part. This part and this part. For this is, we take the strip. First of all, we take the area of this part. This is dy. So that area of this part and this part both are same. We calculate the area of this and double to calculate total area here. So that required area equal to limit. We take the strip because perpendicular on y-axis and x dy and limit of, and here limit will be here in this case y is equal to 1, 0 and 1, and this is 0 and 3, y is equal to here 3. Limit will be 1 to 3 here, 1 to 3 here. We integrate 1 to 3 here, and this is the area of this portion, and take the twice, we multiply to total area of this portion, and here y1 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to 3, so that this, as you know that our curve is y is equal to x square, it means that here x equal to under root y, x is equal to under root y, and function putting the value of this is 2, 1 to 3, and x is equal to under root y dy. If we calculate this, we get the total area here in this case. Now to integration of this is y के power half. It means that y के power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, and limit is 1 to 3. Now here in this case, putting upper limit 3 and lower limit 1, we get our answer. This is the square unit. Now question number 2, find the area of the region in the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis. This is the x-axis and y is equal to x. This line is y is equal to x. This is x-axis and first quadrant, and the circle, this is circle, so that we have to calculate the area of this. Now in this case, radius of the circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. A is the radius, so that comparing this, radius is 4 root 2 here, radius is 4 root 2. When we solve the y is equal to x and equation of circle, we get the intersection point plus minus 4, so that plus minus 4 here, x is equal to 4, it means that this is the 4. Now required area is 0 to 4. We take the strip perpendicular 0 to 4 y dx and 0 this, putting the value of y x and putting